Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on time and work, which says X takes 4 days to complete one third of a job, Y takes 3 days to complete one sixth of the same work, and Z takes 5 days to complete half the job. If all of them work together for 3 days and X and Z quit, how long will it take for Y to complete the remaining work? Let's see how can we solve this question. The first thing which is given to us is X takes 4 days to complete one third of the job. So I can directly say that X will take 12 days to finish the work. Similarly, Y takes 3 days to complete one sixth of the same work, and hence Y will be taking 18 days to finish the complete work. And now Z takes 5 days to complete half of the job. Therefore, Z will take 10 days to complete the same work. If all of them work together for 3 days and X and Z quit, that means all of them are working for 3 days. So by using this expression, I can say that the 1 day work for X will be 1 upon 12. Similarly, 1 day work for Y will be 1 upon 18, and 1 day work for Z will be 1 upon 10. So when they are working for 3 days together, their total work will be 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 10 multiplied by 3 plus, now what happens, X and Z quit. Therefore, the remaining work has to be done by Y. Now we know that Y can do 1 upon 18 of the work in 1 day. So let us assume Y is working for D more days. So the work done by Y would be D by 18, and this finishes the work, hence it should be equal to 1. So now by solving this equation, we can easily get the value of D. So this is how we solve such a question in a conventional manner. But in the competitive exams, we are not going to go with this approach. We will use a method which is called as total work method. When I say total work method, it's a very simple approach with integer calculation into practice. What do I mean with this? Since we have already got the values, X can do a work in 12 days, Y can do the same job in 18 days, Z can do the same job in 10 days. I can easily assume that the total work can be 180 units, which is nothing but a assumption of the total work, which is a multiple of 12, 18 and 10. So I've just assumed a value of work as 180 units. If the total work is 180 units, X can do 180 by 12 work in a day, which is 15 units in a day. Similarly, Y in a day can finish 180 by 18, that is 10 units in a day, and Z in a day can finish 180 divided by 10, thus 18 units in a day. Now in the question it is given that all three of them are working for 3 days. So 3 days X can finish 45 units, Y can finish 30 units, and Z can finish 54 units. Therefore the total work done would be 45 plus 30 plus 54, which is equal to 129 units. What is the remaining work? 180 minus 129. So the remaining work is 51 units. Who has to finish this work? It is only Y who has to finish this work because X and Z have already quit. Because y can do 10 units in a day, for 51 units of work which is left, y will require 51 by 10, which is 5.1 days of time to finish the remaining work, which gives me my answer as option number 3. So therefore, as you can see, we have neither done the LCM of the fractions, nor we have calculated a bigger expression like this. But still we have received our answer in a quick go. Therefore, the total work method is highly beneficial when we go for competitive exams. I hope the method is clear to all. Thank you.